they say it's like a book with 3 different parts. One part is when you are born, the second part is how you live your life, and then the third part is probably death. But sometimes the hardest part of this life is how you are going to live your life. Trust me, life is hard.
No.
And once again, welcome back to my channel. So I'm a Ghanaian based YouTuber. I blog about lifestyle, fitness and practical experiences that inspire people. If you are battling with weight gain out of your own inability to stay focused on doing the right thing for yourself, or out of some situation you are not able to do the necessary things that you're supposed to do to change some things in your life, then I think you are not alone. Don't beat yourself up, don't work yourself out. Just know that you are not alone.
Thank you.
There's a lot of people going through similar situations with you, so don't give up. Just believe and know that we are all in the same sea with you, that we are all sinking deep. But what can we do to pick ourselves up and then do the little that we can do? So let me give you guys a background story. Few weeks ago I battled with corona pneumonia, which led to 2 weeks of isolation. While being alone and lonely, depression walked in. My birthday was approaching too, so I reflected on the life a lot, on where I have come from and where I was going. This thought drowned me into depression. This depression actually messed my birthday big time. I was not able to celebrate and have fun, but not me looking good and being my best. But this very birthday was to bathe, to eat, and then to sleep. That was what I really wanted to do on my birthday. Later that day, I decided to wear a dress, do some makeup, and take some pictures to have memories, but groove was just not there. I changed into bench wear and I hopped back on bed, chillaxing, and my sister got us pizza in the evening. Thank God my younger sister came over. Other than that, I would have been so lonely. So when it comes to anxiety, I've actually been having anxiety for some time now. I remember 2 years ago I had a terrible accident on the motorway, and that actually plugged me into severe anxiety, especially when I'm driving or I'm in a car. I become so anxious, which practically generated into daily kind of like fear that it was a bit difficult for me to control. But thank God my doctor was able to kind of like take me through this counseling during the COVID section, because me having anxiety already and adding COVID to it was actually worse. So he had to take me through all the process in order for me to come out of this anxiety. If you didn't know, one of the post symptoms of COVID is craving and high appetite. Started eating more during and after corona until I came to realization that I need to stop. I'm starting a new healthy life, then I go back again and again and again. From July to November, I have gained over 17 kg. All the weight I lost in 2019 are practically back again. Loss to me doesn't have a specific formula. You only do what's best for you, and I thank God I have lost weight before. Surely I can again try with you, and I believe you can too. I'm still work in progress, so come along if you are battling same situation with me, and let's heal together. I was able to jog, I was able to exercise, kind of like do cardio in my room and all that, but now it is very difficult for me to do tedious things. Even when I lie on my bed and I try to raise my leg and do some stomach exercise and planks, I am not able to do it because I think it kind of like puts stress on my chest and on my lungs, which I feel like I'm not fully covered. So I'm not able to do a whole lot of tedious thing, which is kind of like going to slow down my weight loss again. And I've kind of like tried as much as possible to put in kind of like good eating habits, even though I'm not able to do consistent healthy exercises that I should do. So it is a situation, and I know that a lot of people go through this same situation with some health, underlying factors that are not necessarily allowing them to do some of the tedious exercise that people do, that you see them outside doing and you feel like you want to try, but due to your condition you are not able to. And I think it is time we all come together and then support each other on that. So basically, this is the struggle that I'm actually going through right now, that I have gained a whole lot of weight, and I'm trying my possible best to actually lose the weight again. So if you are also in a situation like mine, please tag along. Don't be sad. Just know that you are not in this alone, and you are going to do it together, no matter how slow or no matter how far it takes us. Definitely the most important thing is setting a goal for yourself, trying your possible best every day to ensure that you are achieving the goal that you have set for yourself. Time that we put a stop to this roller coaster and then try to do something that is very permanent, that is going to help us. This is actually why I've gained a lot of weight, and I hope a lot of people kind of like, I don't do more of weight loss, but I know a lot of people actually look up to me. I remember one time I saw a comment on my video, somebody saying, oh, I'm looking forward to how you go through this because you're actually my motivation or my inspiration. I'm like, wow, being an inspiration. I'm very terrible at all these things, but I feel like it is, these things actually helps me to keep going. See, one thing I've come to realize is in life is you have to make good use of the things that you are insecure in, to rather improve yourself, to find that security in the things that you are insecure about. Because for me, my insecurity has always been my body, because I have been a plus size since I was a child, and my arm is actually the number one thing that I am actually not so comfortable with. But there's nothing I can do. Well, there's a lot of things that you can do, like going for surgery and all those stuff, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to go through that, but I just want to love and appreciate myself. So find a way to actually inculcate your insecurities into your daily life, and always ensure that you are putting in more love and more appreciating to your body, no matter what the situation is. Being in a situation that is not allowing you to do the things that people are able to do, just love yourself, appreciate yourself, and be you. So until we meet again same time, it's your girl Noneka Ntifo. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, and until then, see you. Bye.